So these four guys have just, five guys, have just joined me from over there where the magpies are. Two more guys here. I think they're dialing in for the sausage. Ah, yes. Yes, someone else got some. Guy, you over there? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, has he got two pieces of sausage? I think the sausage goes down quite well, doesn't it? Go on. Oh, just too timid. This guy. Just wave it. There you go. Got the guy on my right to join in. That's cool. Oh, seagull got it on the bounce. In the middle. Oh, went for the seagull. Oh, let's do that. Let's do the quiche. 23rd of December. It's the 25th of January. It's not badly mangled by mould as the last one. So what I'll do, I'll walk forward, dropping it, find it behind me, and then all the actions behind me. Look guys, seagulls love quiche. Look. Seagulls do quiche, guys, come on. So now what I'm going to do, excuse me, it's a terrible sound, just going to pop this on the floor just here and then roll it over. Right. And then what I'll do is I'll turn around, walk away, another dollop there. Oh, it's going to tip it in the hole. But what happens is everybody wants to pick it up themselves. Go on, have a look, have a look, have a look. There you go. There you go. It's not the only one though. Oh, it's fighting. That's quite cool. You can fly backwards. There's another piece. There you go. Come on. Yes. I think one of them got quite a lot of quiche there, being chased by seagulls. Oh damn it, I hope I pointed you at them. Right, let's give him another big chug and roll it over on its. Look at this, look, try and roll the quiche over. Right, now, if I turn my back, walk away. Oh yeah, I had this thing about like seagull sombrero when they're all flying around your head, right? And then I thought, oh, we're gonna go for it. He's got the whole piece. Seagull sombrero, is that cultural appropriation? Might be. I mean, they might have seagulls in Mexico, and that might be a real thing. Seagull sombrero. Or it might be seagull halo. That might be appropriating someone else's culture. Seagull halo. Yeah. There's always one going the wrong way around. Because you haven't got the message yet, that's all it is. Go on, you see them turn around? And so they're all going the same way? Thank you. Thank you. Oh dear. So you can mind control seagulls. You can go in the same way around. How about that? Good, you can.